Welcome back to this video tutorial. Um you are going to learn about getting started with forex trading. All right, but before I delve into getting started with forex trading, there is something that I missed in this previous video that I forgot to talk about, and I'm going to say it very short right now. And what I forgot to say actually is that forex trading forex trading, people that trade forex, they are people like me and you. All right, but the people that actually move the forex market, they are actually the big banks, the local banks, the private banks, all these big banks, hedge funds, financial institutions. Those are the people that actually use billions of dollars to trade the forex market. But it has also given us the opportunity to also leverage to trade the market and make money for ourselves as well. All right, so right now I'm going to talk about getting started, having the right understanding about how to start forex trading. And this is where we have this beautiful website which is called the tradingview.com. In tradingview.com, this is where we analyze the market to know our bias of the market, if the market is actually going up or going down or going sideways and all. All right, so and as you can see, this big fat text that says that look first then leap. The best trade require research then commitment. This is something that most beginner traders that lose money to the market didn't actually do, because most of traders didn't know about research, they didn't know about commitment, they didn't know about psychology, they didn't know about being committed to their trade. And this is what causes them to lose a lot of money in the market. And they end up saying that forex is a scam. But forex is not a get rich quick scheme. And this is why you need to actually research on the currency pairs that you want to trade before you can know where the market is actually heading to. So right now, in this video, you are going to learn how to navigate through this website. I'm going to tell you about navigating through this website and getting familiar with currency pairs. All right, so you can see the search button here. We have the search bar rather. So now we have different kind of currency that you can research here. We have the options. Can you see that we have, these are the options currencies? Okay, then we have the economy, bonds, indices. These are all we have the stock right here. All right, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to go to forex because that is what we are going to be talking about. Now we have a lot of currencies in forex trading. All right, this is not going to be something that is going to be tedious for you, that's going to be very hard for you. So just know that these are the currencies that we have under forex. We have the euro USD, we have the GBP USD, we have the USD JPY. All these currencies you are seeing here are currencies of forex that you can trade. All right, probably in the next video I'm going to talk about the different types of currency. All right, because we have major pairs and minor pairs. All right, but for the purpose of this video, because I just want to explain how you can navigate through this website. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on USD JPY. All right, USD JPY, and I'm going to click on that. So right now the market is loading. So right now we can see this screen. This screen simply means this is where the history of USD JPY currency is trading at currently. All right, so but as you can see that we have 5M, 15M, 1H. So these are the time frames. All right, these are the time frames. So it is the 5 minutes is already clicked, which means that all these red and green green candles, as you are seeing there here, they form for 5 minutes. All right, they form for 5 minutes, and these red and green things that you are seeing here, they are called candlesticks. All right, they are called candlesticks. So they are called candlesticks. So this is our chart type, is on candlesticks. So now if I click on 15 minutes, it simply means that all the candlesticks you are seeing here, they form for 15 minutes. All right, they form for, so any time frame that I choose here, if I click on D, the D is daily candlesticks. All right, those are the candles that form for 24 hours. All right, so each candles you are seeing here, they form for 24 hours. All right, then we also have different types of chart view. This is our chart. All right, this is the USD JPY chart, and this is the view of the chart. All right, so now we have different types of view of charts. All right, the current chart you are seeing right here is called the candlesticks. All right, as you can see that it's in candlesticks already. So if I change it to bars, you can see what we have here. All right, you can see what we have here. So we have different types of view that you can use to analyze the market. But top traders, you know, as the world as revolution is going on, they have developed a better view of the market for us. All right, which we actually use the candlestick right now, because the candlesticks actually give us more information to the market. All right, so in the next video I'm going to explain better about the candlestick. All right, I'm going to explain better about the candlestick. So right here, at the left hand side right here, we have all the tools. Okay, these are the tools that we use in the market. All right, these are the tools that we use in the market. Probably if you want to go long in the market, this is the long position. Probably you can place your long position right here. Set your stop loss like this and set your TP all the way right here. Okay, so these are where we explore our tools, and we also have indicators as well. So these indicators, they are trading indicators. All right, although throughout the entire video that I'm going to release on this channel, I'm not going to use any sort of indicators. And the reason is because from my mentor, I have learned that you don't need any indicator before you can be profitable in the market. All right, but I'm still going to talk about that in the videos that I'm going to upload. All right, so right here, these are indicators, but there are many types of indicators. So let me just search for one indicator so that you can actually see. So this is RSI, relative strength index. So it's like if I click on that, you can see that this is the indicator that has appeared right here. Okay, so this is a trading indicator, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just showing you. All right, so and another thing that you need to understand in this video is that we have this price. Okay, this is the price of USD JPY currently in the market. This is the price at which United States dollars and Japanese yen is trading currently in the financial markets. All right, so this is the price. All right, so that is the price right there. And we also have for example, if I want to save this page, okay, if I want to save it and share to my friends, I can simply come right there to this camera, okay, or come to this camera and simply download this page. Okay, so you can see that it has already downloaded. Okay, it has already downloaded. So you can see that it has downloaded. Okay, so this is just the basic thing that you need to understand about navigating through the tradingview.com. So in the next video, I'm going to talk more about the candlestick, how you can get more familiar, having more understanding about how the markets actually work. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.